Can you hook it with string? Oh, your cane there?
No, oh my god.
It's gonna be really heavy. You gotta pull it slow.
I got it. Okay. Hold on, wait. Get my cane out.
But the crap's your cane.
Thank you.
Get your...
Twist it, Jake.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. Can I just chuck his shoes over there?
All right. Get your shoes on and let's get out of the stream.
Ah!
No. Let him put it on.
Oh dear God.
Oh,
Crap, that is disgusting.
Okay. I'm going back in.
No, guys, if we don't have much time.
Okay. Jake, you will freaking screw. Get the crap away. You don't know.
Jake, come out this way, please.
No, Jake, just follow where I am, okay?
He's cleaning himself off.
Oh dear
No
God.
way to clean yourself up.
You know what, Dad? Mom's gonna freaking murder you.
Well, Jake is gonna have to like sit on the trunk to get home. I'm not gonna let him sit on my seats. Yeah.
Lucky
not-
you got it.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
He's not gonna sit in my car seats.
Hey, I'm not that bad.
Ah, crap it.
Okay, Jake, go out the other side. Jake,
No, Jake.
go out the other side right up there.